When you are in court, it is very important that you maintain a degree of seriousness. And you come across as a person convinced of your case, but not over-convinced. Nor should you sound like a smart aleck, nor should you sound or behave like you pull the wool over the eyes of the judge. And I'll give you an example. There was a case, and I won't take any names over here, which went on in courtroom number 13 for days on end. It was a fairly serious case under the Companies Act with regard to a particular scheme of arrangement between two companies where my clients had given certain confidential information to the transferor company who wanted to merge itself into the transferee company. And we were objecting on the ground that we don't know who this transferee company is. We do not wish our information and technology to go to some stranger. We have contracted with the transferor, it should remain with the transferor. So please don't allow this scheme to go through. And I'm not going to bore you with the details and all that, but the point is this went on ding dong before a single judge for a long time. Long time in the sense over 6-7 hearings and pretty long hearings. At the end of the hearing, which was like into the sir rejoinder stage, I thought that the judge had finally turned in my favor. But something happened at that point and we lost the case. And that was, I'm sorry to say, and I won't take any names, the extremely smug expression on the face of my solicitor and his exchange of a particular very knowing glance with the client. The judge saw it. And I could see in the eyes of the judge, it didn't go down well. He felt he had been taken for a ride. And that, to my mind, is so important. Because when a case is hanging in a balance, which is so evenly poised, any small thing like this, any such small thing can make a world of a difference. I don't blame the judge, please mark. I mean, the law was balanced, the facts were balanced. If I had to decide the case, God knows what I would have done. I mean, I often say this to people, that it's all very well, we have to go argue our case and go home. We don't have to write the judgment. But imagine the plight of the judge, because his problems start after you finish. And there are so often cases which we have argued, and I'm honest enough to tell you that I'm not a good reader of judges' minds. And I often ask my colleagues, my junior solicitors, what do you think the judge will do? And I don't have an answer. So I'm just saying, cases at that level are fought all the way, all through, and right till the end. And everything is in the balance, and you never know which way it will tilt. So be careful about your body language in court.